Hola amigos, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite vegan appetizers. All we're going to do is mix some herbs and spices with some olive oil, and we're going to also add some sliced up dried chilies for flavor and heat. And to it we're going to add some cubed vegan cheese. I used Violife Panela cheese, but you could use any whichever brand is your favorite. And all you do is you mix it all up, and then you're going to refrigerate it to marinate for at least a half hour. The longer it sits, the better. If you don't like vegan cheese, you could also make this with tofu, and either way it tastes really delicious. Of course, the tofu will give you protein that vegan cheese normally doesn't have, and this is delicious on crackers, and it's great served with some white wine or beer, or just as a fun snack. It's also really good on salads. I hope you give it a try.